Finally came across a set of these. Wasn't expecting to find them at a Walmart, but that's where they were. And believe it or not, there was a car missing from the box that was put out. I mean, figured that these would have been the first to go, but nope. So I left it behind, so I thank you for whoever did that. Cool packaging. Got some flowers going on back there. Props to whoever designed this box. I like the little subtle touch. Some of the other cars that will be in this release. The Eclipse is pretty nice. Not bad. So we've got the orange one. Blue is Johnsable. It's a Datsun, so it should be left-hand drive, right? Yep. Very cool. And of course my favorite color, and I really like the wheel color as well on this. Good choice, Jada. Look how slick that is. Take a peek inside. Not a whole lot of detail going on inside. But for under $10, can't expect a whole lot. Got a little bit of a roll cage going on inside there. Very cool. Let me know if you're finding these and where at. Just kind of curious to know what other stores are going to be getting these in, or if you even find one, because I'm sure this is one of the first ones to go. I think they're already hitting like $40 in some of the groups that I've seen them at. So good luck, happy hunting, and let me know how things are going.